We are here to talk about Mattress Cleaner. So the Norwex Mattress Cleaner that we have here is amazing, and it is not just for mattresses. So this is to remove all non-living organic material from anything from blind curtains to your couches, pillows, pet bedding, and I'm about to show you how I use it in my car. So this will help to remove dust mite feces, which is gross, and saliva on top of other allergens and stuff that tend to be in soft materials that we have inside of our home. So when I use this, I actually flip the little sprayer nozzle open, so to the open position. This is a foaming nozzle. When it's closed, we don't want it foaming. And I'm going to use it in my car to go ahead and kind of remove any organic material from my fabric seats. So you really just do a couple sprays on the seats. If you were doing this, for example, on a mattress that's twin size, you're only going to use about 4 sprays of this. If you're going to use it on a pillow, you just spray it once. So it doesn't take a lot. This bottle will last you a long time, and it's great for freshening up those areas that hold on to high allergens. If you have any questions, feel free to message me, but I highly recommend getting the mattress cleaner and beginning to use it in your home because it's really going to help with all of those allergies that can be caused by so much stuff that gets in those soft materials that we really don't have another way to clean. All right, I hope you have a good evening.